Good morning, students. Today we will continue to do the exercise 14B, question number 9. As Chetna ma'am has already covered 8 questions of 14B, so let me do the ninth question. But before that, let me tell you how to make angles. Now, angles are to be drawn by either by compasses or by protractor. Now, this is your protractor and this is your compasses. So, if any angle is divisible by 15, we will use compasses, otherwise protractor. Like for example, if you have to draw 55 degree. Now 55 degree is not divisible by 15 stable, so we will use protractor. Now for when you using protractor, you have to keep one thing in your mind, that the word LIRO, which means left inside, right outside. If you see the protractor, it has two readings. One is from 0 to 180, that is from right hand side to left hand side. Another one is 0 to 180 again, but from left to right. So which reading we will use? In that case, what we do, I am just telling you, this word has to be remembered. So first of all, you have to draw a baseline as I am drawing. This is the baseline. So I have drawn baseline and A and B I have given as, this is a line segment. I have drawn line segment AB. Now if you take A vertex as the vertex of the angle, that if we draw angle on A vertex, I will read, because A vertex is on the left side, so we will read inner reading, and if we draw an angle on the right side, you will read the outer reading. Now this is your protractor. I have matched with this protractor with the baseline. Now because I am drawing on the left side, so I will read inner reading 50 and inner 5 points. So it is 55 degree, and then I will join this vertex with this point. See, 55 degree is drawn like this. And if you will draw on the right side, you will read this outer reading. Understood about this? This is the way you will draw protractor. Now how to make angles from compasses? I will draw 2-3 angles from this. First of all, when I told you कि when we make an angle from compasses, you have to, it should be divisible by 15. So for example, if you have to draw 30 degree, in that case, how to make 30 degree angle? So first I will draw a base angle, take a suitable radius, stretch it and put the needle at one end, make a semicircle of it. Now this semicircle, all of you know that a complete angle is of 360 degree. So this semicircle will be half of it. So 360 ka half will be 180. Now I divide this 180 into 3 parts. This is first part, this is second part, and this is third part. One part, second part and third part. So first arc will be of 60 degree because 180, when we divide it by 3 parts, it will be 60 degree. So each part is of 60. So this is 60. This will be 60 plus 60, 120 degree, and then 180. So if you have to make 30 degree, which is a half of 60, so with the same radius, put the needle, hold it with from the tail, make an arc, put the needle at 60, draw an arc and join this arc from the vertex. You will make 30 degree. Now this is 30 degree. If you have to make 60 degree, so you simply join this vertex with this point and stretch a line. So this is 60 degree. 120, join this vertex and this and make 120 degree. Now if you have to make 45 degree, so what you will do in that case, 45, now 45 comes between, if you remember the table, I am writing the table here, that is 50, 0, 15 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, 165 and 180. Now you can see that the any number ended with 5 will be drawn in between 0 to 30. Like 15 degree will be drawn from 0 to 30. That means one arc will be on 0, one will be on 30. So 15 degree will be formed. Similarly 45 will be between 30 and 60. Or you can make 90 and bisect it. Half of 90 is 45. Now I will make it 45 from this. Mostly students, what they do the mistake, they make an arc from this intersecting point. No, you have to make an arc from this semicircle only. So one arc and then another arc and join the line. Now 45 will be made. Similarly 75. Now 75 will be drawn in between 60 to 90. So 60 is this one. We have to make 90. How to make 90? This 90 is the intersecting point of 60 and 120. Now 60. Now put a needle on 120. Arc and join the lines. 90 will be formed. After making, students, you can simply use protractor to check your angles. Now this is 90. How to make 75 then? Now 75 will be in between 60 to 90. So put a needle at 60. Arc. Put the needle at 90. Arc and join the line. Like this. Clear? Similarly, if you have to make 105, so 90 and 120. So 90 and 120 in between, you will make 105. 120 already there. Now 135 you will make from 120 and 150. So 150, first you make 120 and 180 के बीच में arc. That will be 150 and then 135. Like this you will make the angles.